Spelling, page 86. Let's review our spelling words. Repeat them after me, and then we'll spell them together. Find. F-I-N-D. Kind. K-I-N-D. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Right. R-I-G-H-T. By. B-Y. My. M-Y. Low. L-O-W. Boat. B-O-A-T. Our tricky words, never. N-E-V-E-R. Head. H-E-A-D. Let's go ahead and move on to our worksheet. Circle the spelling words in each row. Let's do number 1 together. The words on number 1 are wide. Wide. Is that our spelling word? No. Find. Find. Is that our spelling word? Yes. Kind. Kind. Is that one of our spelling words? Yes. Number 2, by. Is that our spelling word? Look up here if you don't know. Yes. Line. No. My. Yes. Circle it. I want you to do 3 through 6 by yourself. When you're done, resume the video. Go ahead and pause it now. Okay, you should have 3 through 6 done by yourself. Let's do 7 and 8. Write 2 long I spelling words that have 4 letters. Look for 2 words that have 4 letters and have the long I sound in it. One word can be find. It has 4 letters and has the long I sound. Find. What's another word we could use? Kind. Kind. For 9 and 10, write 2 long I spelling words that have 5 letters. Look for words that have 5 letters that have the I sound in it. N-I-T. Night. What's another word? R-I-T. Right. Good job.